The Augustine Volcano, a 40,000-year-old lava dome that lies within the Cook Inlet region. With a long history of volcanic activity, the Augustine Volcano forms the majority of the island it inhabits, Augustine Island. It is under 200 miles from the most populated city in Alaska, Anchorage. It is a part of the Aleutian Arc, which is a large volcanic arc in the state that formed as a result of subduction along the Aleutian Trench. The arc consists of active and inactive volcanoes. The Augustine volcano is one of the most active in the region. The volcano had large eruptions in 1883, 1986, and 1994. These lead us up to the latest activity on Augustine Island. The 2005 and 2006 Augustine volcano eruption. Geologists noticed changes that indicated future volcanic activity in the spring of 2005. They detected low but noticeable seismic activity underneath the volcano. Geologists would collect data with GPS devices that would record swelling or deflation on the volcano, which can reveal gas pressure or magma rising. On January 11, 2006, there was significant explosions that produced new magma and formed ash clouds up to 10,000 feet in the sky. The explosive phase lasted through the end of January. These explosions would be active for several minutes and then go into dormancy for hours or even days. The volcano was swelling at this point, which let geologists know that this wasn't the end of the eruption. Then in February, the volcano started to erupt continuously. Lava was erupting rapidly and would collapse and form pyroclastic flows and ash clouds as it would emerge from the volcano. The next month, in March, it created two large lava flows down the north and northeast flanks of the volcano. That lasted for about 2 weeks until the Augustine volcanic eruption of 2005 and 2006 came to an end. Following mid-March, geologists wanted to explore what the effects of the eruption were. They wanted to find out the geologic effects as well as any possible effects of the surrounding population. The first issue they encountered was flight restrictions. Geologists at the Alaskan Volcano Observatory were collecting data on massive ash clouds and were concerned that air travel could be affected. Ingestion of the volcanic ash would cause engine failure along with altered visibility. Next, there was a concern to see if the eruption affected the cities closest to the volcano and their populations. Since Augustine Island is in such a remote location, there was a very small threat to humans. Tsunamis proved to be an issue in the past for the Augustine volcano, and geologists were concerned there could be a repeat. In 1883, a tsunami was generated by a debris avalanche. After studying the chances of the 2006 volcanic eruption for probability of creating a tsunami, geologists found the chances to be very slim. To produce a tsunami, a massive avalanche moving very rapidly would have to occur simultaneously with high tide waters. In conclusion, this volcano will continue to be one of the most active in Alaska as well as in the Aleutian Trench. The 2005-2006 eruption on Augustine Island is just another of many in the volcano's history.